Well, good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's see if we can find anything on the charts this week or not. Hopefully we can. Be nice if we can. Hi Saima, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back again. Good morning, good morning.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Right, what have we got today then? So, news wise, Swiss unemployment 8 o'clock, so 20 minutes. Eurozone Centix Investor Confidence Index, don't know what that is. UK construction PMI, that's not that important. UK is a service-based economy. Eurozone retail sales at 10 o'clock, so we don't have much in the way. Yeah, mainly Forex. I can do gold, can do silver, can do US30, can do nasdaq, but I mainly trade 1 minute chart, so it's impossible to look at too many pairs. Let's quickly start. I'm late on the stream. Ready 7:38, man. Should have been on the stream earlier. Hello. Just try and be quick now, innit? How long have you been trading? Okay, so on USD CAD we've taken this high here. We're creating an interesting rejection at that level after taking out that high. We also have this level here, but I think USD CAD is generally considered bullish because CAD's on the verge of a recession. I wouldn't be surprised if we see price moving to higher levels on USD CAD. Yeah, I'm a Forex trader. I said that already. Yeah, I am. I mainly do currencies, and then I can do gold, can do silver, can do indices, but I prefer currencies. But recently they've been really difficult, man. Currencies have been not easy. Okay, technically this is the weekly low. I do expect yen to do more intervention, so I think that we are gonna I would say I'm past profitable. I'm more on the consistently profitable side. I've never blown an account and I've had 4 or 5 payouts. I did have 150k in funding, but one account got taken off of me because some prop firms are like scam. The other account's 100k, that's in drawdown 3.7%, which is not much at all. And I've got another 700k worth of accounts. I did have 800k worth of accounts, but one company closed down. Some are in phase 2, some are still in phase 1. No, I had 970k, almost 1 million. And then the 50k company that got taken off me, and then they took off the 200k. They took a 200k off me, and then another company took 100k off me because they closed down the business. So now I've got roughly 700k, and 100 is funded. 25k is in phase 2, or 20k is in phase 2. So yeah, but these markets have been tutty, really tutty. Because I trade M1, so on lower time frame I trade mainly sessions like London session, New York session, and it's been really like choppy and disgusting and stuff like that. It's not been good to trade on M1. I'm in my worst losing streak there is. Normally my losing streak is between 6 and 8 trades. You don't look at trading in one day, you look at trading in the year. You don't look at how much you make in one day, you look at how much you make in 1 year. You might get a bad week, bad month, bad quarter, and then you might get a better quarter afterwards. How long have you been trading? You've come all the way back up to this high again, man, after the intervention occurred. That's mad. That is really bad. Italy. So we've got these highs. I think my average losing streak is about 6 to 8 trades, but this time I'm on a 10 trade losing streak. But I made 5 mistakes, so it's not so bad. I'm just reducing risk on my trades just to manage the drawdown, and then I'll just carry on trading from that. But I just gotta kind of manage the drawdown just to make sure it doesn't go deeper. My aim is different to most traders. I'm not looking to get payout after payout after payout. I'm trying to reach consistency before anything else. Like profitability, who cares about that? If you blow an account and you make one payout and then you blow 3 more accounts, that's useless. I'm trying to fund my own personal account, and then once I funded my own personal account, I don't need to worry or think about prop firms ever again, which is kind of what I'm trying to do. That is the all-time high on GJ. That's not gonna work, is it? No, it's not. Well, we'll do Frankfurt's internal high so far. But this looks shockingly bullish to me. Bullish there. Look, that channel out there. That channel out there. Got this channel going on here. I expect GJ to continue going higher. I don't want to be buying yen because I expect another intervention, so I'm just trying to wait for a bearish setup to occur. And then only look at shorts on the yen, so then I'm on the right side of the intervention. And then what about gold and silver? What did gold and silver do? On the daily chart, tagged into that level, had a lovely bounce. I think that's still gonna drop down. We took out the yesterday's high, which was the weekly high. Price took that level there, moved down. Had that channel there, price took that channel there. That channel there, price took that level there. Had that high there, price took that high there. Had these few highs there, that price got taken. And that's nothing yet. And then price took these highs, although it take there, pull back and move higher. I think gold is still going to continue to be bearish. Don't see gold moving away from that. Silver will be very much similar, just double whatever the volume is on gold. How long have you been trading, Timer? Or are you new? Let's keep an eye on this here then. On gbpjpy, and if we can find a short, then I'll take it. And if we can't, then cholo, it is what it is. What can you do? Look at eurusd then. So build up, sweet, took that level out. Build up of the highs, took that level out. That level there got taken. Nothing to use in there except that and that. So we are bearish on EU. But then we took these lows. First leg, second leg. Not good enough. I'm not looking at longs yet. On EU. Still showing me kind of like bearish momentum and stuff. We're doing that. Then that. So I think it's still gonna continue bearish. And then on GU should be basically the same. Channel, the highs there, and take the high. The highs there. Put that level there. Put that level there. Come down. Look, this low here, which is the yesterday's low. Yep, Friday's low. Sorry, last week. And then you did a first leg, second leg, plugged into that zone, which is an entry, but I don't like the look of that because there's no clean volume displacement going on. It's just building a channel there, so I don't like that. You took these
At
lows
3
there.
a.m. Eastern time, we get Swiss unemployment rate. Adjusted forecast 3.1%, prior 3%. Unadjusted forecast 3%, prior 3.1%.
So looks like price is still bearish on GU. I think if you go on M5 and we just draw out
Well, hello everybody. This
certain
is
levels.
Trump. You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
You can see price is kind of like order flow bearish. I don't want to fight against that trend unless we get clean reason to do so. Suppose on M15 you could see a channel going on there. Yeah, I can see that. But I need clean displacement for me to say that's fine to do. What about Euro? I bet Euro is the same then, isn't it? Yeah. Euro is exactly the same. Interesting. And then use the CAD. Took these lows, moved higher. Took them lows, moved higher. Took them lows, moved higher. Then you had a bunch of lows here that got taken there, moved higher. Took that low, moved higher. Got this internal channel right there. I expect it to move higher. So yeah. Everything's lining up really well. EU, GU shorts, and then USD CAD longs, which makes sense because then it's all kind of following the same narrative. So I think that's what I'm going to be looking for then for now, instead of what I can't see, and just focus on what I can. Yo, Assalamualaikum Sahad. How are you, brother? It's hot again. It's really hot again. Good after seeing you shirtless again. Yeah. Yeah, a bit hot, man. For your Tina, that looks much better. Where's the next high? Perfect. We can target into that level now. Or Sahad, how are you? I think price is gonna totally take out this high then go down. Alhamdulillah, I'm alright, man. Just hopped on the charts a bit late in it. I should have been on the charts earlier, but sure, there wasn't really much to go off of anyway. This price is just chopping around here for the last 40 minutes. I suppose being on the charts wouldn't have made much of a difference if I was early. But other than that, I'm chilling, man.
At 3 a.m. Eastern Time, we get Swiss unemployment rate adjusted, forecast 3.1%, prior 3%, unadjusted, forecast 3%, prior 3.1%.
Yeah, that's good, man. Honestly, I think gold's probably the best in Asia. Like, it just goes in one direction normally. It doesn't really range in it. Gold doesn't. It just kind of trends in one clear direction in Asia. We have to wait for after the first hour or two. I think that's when you start to see where the trend goes. And dollar's quite strong today, innit, after that Friday rejection. Euro's down 23 pips from from Friday. Pound's down about 20 pips. Look at USD JPY, man. It's pushing so much, bro. USD JPY is mad. USD CAD made relatively equal highs on that level. Volume's clearly on the long side. I just need to see a clean entry to get in.
One minute remaining. I'll lead with Swiss unemployment rate adjusted.
Right, so when's the next news? It was Swiss unemployment at 8 o'clock, so literally 15 seconds. Let's see what happens with that. And let's just have a quick look at what happened in the football as well. So, the 5th was yesterday. Brazil lost to Norway. That's unfortunate. No, England won.
3.1% as expected.
I didn't want that to
Unadjusted,
happen.
2.9%, 2.9% lower than forecast, 3%.
No, France versus Morocco. No. I wanted France versus England so France could get destroyed by England could get destroyed by France. We bloody need to move on. England could get destroyed by France. Instead, England's got Norway. Morocco's got France. That's not good. We've got Portugal for Spain today. Portugal should win. USA versus Belgium. Belgium should win. Argentina versus Egypt. Argentina should win. Switzerland versus Colombia. I think Switzerland will win. Ugh. Not ideal. Not ideal at all. Hello. Does the employment rate come out as expected for the Swiss franc? Now we got Eurozone news at 9:30. Wow. USD JPY is really pushing up. Like really pushing up. Give me a sense of direction now. Now if we get clean movement to the downside, I'll be willing to follow that move down if it does it, and then use the CAD. If it does a clean move, where's the next low that price would want to potentially visit? Next low would be here on euro. Then on the non-pound it would be here. That's a 34 pip move down from there, and a 25 pip move down from there. Now you've got all of this channel here. You got London Open that's just taken those lows on the minute. I'm curious now to see what happens. Very curious. so far we're just following price action, yeah. So this is technically a breaker structure. But I'm just looking, is this gonna continue down, or is this now gonna start to reverse because you got all of this level above it, and now you've just taken Frankfurt low on the minute pretty much. I'm just curious to see what happens. USD CADs took that high out by almost a pip. Now let's see if it holds that London Open demand zone or if it's gonna keep going lower. But look at the US side of things. Indices are down. Oh, sorry, bonds are down. Indices are neutral to bearish. That's down. Oil is comfortably down. Bitcoin, Ethereum. Bitcoin's up 0.3%, but Ethereum isn't. That's a little bit interesting. As gold and silver are both neutral, both bearish, clearly. Hi, Amal Bhai, long time no see. I received the salary from the day job. Well done. Done. Now you're ready to waste the salary on some prop firm accounts, yeah? So... Or Amal, how is your trading going?
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
I'm not Haroon. Haroon is dangerous, yaar. Haroon is dangerous. Don't smash it on props, lol. Yeah, Amal's gonna buy every single account now. In personal account is going decent, man. I'm able to manage risk properly. Yeah, interesting why you can't do it on a prop firm, but you can on a personal one. My personal has got way more aggressive risk than my prop firm accounts. Hey, rules innit? Basically, yeah, you trade like a lunju punju innit? That's what he means. He does lunju punju trading, and then that works for him. And then on prop firms where they say no lunju punju, he gets cooked. People say, man, kyun yaar, kyun? Yeah, that's probably what Amal does. Last month was completely break even. Is Amal from United Kingdom? He's Indian, innit? He's Indian. Listen, you're not from Dubai, yeah? You're Indian. Calm down. He's trying to be Emirati. He's the distant relative of Bajit. Yeah. Bro, I'm on a really bad losing streak, man. 10 losses in a row and 5 are mistakes. I don't remember the last time that's ever happened. Actually, it's never happened. So we're in uncharted territory. First leg. That's not really done a clean first leg. That has. How many payouts, Bashi? Long time since I asked. Bro, I've been on a losing streak. The markets have been cooking me, bro. I've been getting the direction good most of the time. But yeah, it's not been clean on the entries, man. And then yeah, it's been a bit tough. Honestly, it's been a bit tough, bro. Markets have been awkward on M1. They've been moving in a very weird way, not how they usually move. This is the perfect example, Amalia. Are you here? So I normally wait for first leg, yeah, and then second leg to form in it. Now there's no pullback whatsoever, yeah, and I've got a feeling price is gonna continue to go, yeah. So now I'm live testing a breakout buy stop. So when price breaks a level, then I get into entry, because it seems to be the case when price breaks the level, then rocket bro, rocket tutti pergi, rocket in the sky. Like even here, if you say that's the first leg and that's the second leg, that's still the same demand zone, and price just flies off. Look, talk yaar, talk. Even here, yeah, on USD card, first leg, second leg, pew, it's not even coming back, bro. So I'm having to like live test this, which is very annoying. It's because eurusd has met its fair price, which was 6 PM level. That's what I see. That doesn't matter to me. I'm just looking at physical price action itself. And it's being 30. This is where you have to basically do buy stops and sell stops in it, which is which is the case here, man. Like you have to use buy stops, sell stops. That win pattern is usually a buy side on M1, but yeah, no pullback after BSPS is not like how it used to be. Exactly, it's not. So the only way to adjust is by just looking at price action and trying to gather some data in it, which is what I've kind of been doing. And buy stops and sell stops seem to be the way to go. Yera, stop being weird. You see my full face, what are you talking about? Stop being a weirdo. This guy, man. So see, look, prices come, took this channel, tagged into a demand zone, supply zone right there, which makes me suspicious. Alan already knows, innit? He already knows. Bashy feeling uncomfortable. You make everyone uncomfortable. Bossy guy, man. Yeah, I don't know, man. I have him on X, but yeah, Raj from Mumbai, Calcutta. I like it when say Calcutta. The name is funny. Oh yeah, Raj he's a Raj, man. Kasme. You know, Ilya, Calcutta. ICT turtle soup setup. That's Alan's forte, that is. That's most definitely Alan's forte. Quantity. No. My one is the ICT Biryani Mentorship 2022. The Biryani, yeah. I like the section of the biryani one where they have the one for raita. You know the raita flip, where the market does a flip and they call it the raita flip. That's when you get the breaker with the retest into an OTE of a fair value gap, and they call it the raita setup within the biryani mentorship. That one's top tier, bro. Top tier. Where's the that is funny, bro. That is hilarious. Me or Sahad? Yeah, it's still sending me discounts as well. They're idiots, man. They got taken off of prop firm match because they couldn't do anything. So that was suspicious. I can't go long from this M1 zone now. It's too risky now. They got banned or banned. Yeah, they did. Yeah, they did. It's really embarrassing for them. They're so dirty. Yeah, they got banned. I want to swear, but I don't know if Simon's here or not. Otherwise, I would swear in it. Yeah, cause I'm not even joking. The only good thing about Contact was that I met you, and I got 2 payouts. That's it. Alex was my friend before. Now he's a proper. I can't swear if Simon's still here. He's a dungar in it, proper dungar. Before he was fine, but now he's proper dungar. So first leg, second leg, price flew off, did a retracement. I wouldn't be taking any longs even if it did, because it took out an entire channel, yeah. And then yes, the volume's a bit lower, but it's still ultimately, if you go on the M2 or something, that's still good volume on M2 if you ask me. So I wouldn't be going short from there, I wouldn't be going long from there. I'd be waiting for clear direction after that move happened. Like for example, in USD card, first leg, second leg, flew all the way down, bounced into this demand zone, invalidates the trade, I'm cooked. Whereas if I do the breakout method, at least I can go break even after price does kind of a move like this, maybe if it does that. Or on USD card, when it tags into an invalid zone and starts to pull back, I can go break even then as well. But there's ways around it, Amal. With this way of kind of trying to get into a trade and stuff, is just having the patience to kind of gather enough data for it, innit? That seems to be the biggest problem. Yeah, exactly. It's been very much like that. Bashi the type to ask a girl out on a date and he refer her to QT if he doesn't like her as punishment. Oh gosh, yeah, 150%. Yeah, that's actually a fantastic idea. I'll financially ruin her. These markets are giving moves but not able to capture. That's what I'm trying to say. To be honest, I think it's timing. London is just whatever nowadays. Yeah, 150%. London used to be really good, but now it's just so... Ugh. Dirty ain't even a harsh enough word. Even though dirty is too sensitive, or Frankfurt's even better than London, and Frankfurt's struck. Oh, they're so gay on Instagram. Proper gay, man. What time you're on now? 8:14. The market still hasn't really done anything, man. GU is the only one that kind of did something, but I don't really like that. And once again, there was no pullback again. Look, no pullback, no nothing, Amal. Just pure truck. Like what are you supposed to do with this price action? All you could do is just buy limits and sell limits. That's pretty much it. USD CAD stuck in a range. NZD JPY did a fat fall off there, but no sort of entry model anywhere or anything. USD JPY same, it just kind of consolidated for about how long? Let's have a look. Consolidated for about 35 minutes and then dropped out of that miniature M1 range. And then GJ was clean for longs, but I'm not taking longs on yen. I'm not doing it. So that was clean. Took that level, demand zone right there. That was very clean on USD GBPJPY, but I'm not trading yen to the long side. I'm only trading yen to the short side. That's it. So can't do nothing with that. So yeah, or anything I can do in this situation is just try and gather data, bro. There's literally not much more I can physically do. Right, you know what I mean? Even Sydney session better than London, haha, that's how bad. Yeah, I know, man, it's so bad. Like, it's diabolical. And he said that why. But yeah, it pretty much is diabolical. All I can do is have sabr in it, man. I don't want to extend on this losing streak by making more mistakes and stuff, if you get what I mean. Okay, so we just come into this high here. I'm gonna get rid of this because I just don't see that happening. I'll have to look at New York. So Cholo, New York. We'll see what happens there. Okay, let's go to GJ. Get rid of that. That can definitely go over to New York session. Then so can I can leave that there. That can go over to New York session. And you know what? This can as well. Yeah, I know that's really bad, you know, Sydney better than London. What the hell? Oh, yaar. And that can go over to 4 o'clock. And then what else was there? Yes, 4 o'clock for that. And then I don't see us going all the way down here, so you could do Asia high for 4 o'clock. Anyway, what we're doing, we're on here. Suppose you could put that over there. 4 o'clock. Yep. And then on E, it'll probably be the same sort of thing in it. About 4 o'clock ish. That can go. Because we definitely don't need that for 4 o'clock. But we need that. Because we're stuck in that range. And then that can also go over to 4 o'clock. Honestly, you can ask Sahad and stuff like that. This is basically how the streams have been going, man. Really disgusting. What do you boys want to talk about? Because I've got nothing. Absolutely nothing. Do you want to talk about football? Talk about global warming. Yeah, I suppose you could. I'm sad England won. I wanted them to lose, man. Portugal was Spain. I said it's Portugal. What the hell? Portugal for Spain. Portugal's got that. I don't like how the quarterfinals are looking because France versus Morocco. That's not good. That's not good. And then if you get all the French players in Morocco, yeah, that knock out France, they're gonna get abused in France, bro. Because Morocco's team, all of them are not from Morocco, but they're Moroccan. They're like French Moroccan, Spanish Moroccan. You know what I mean? So they're not even Moroccan. So yeah, it's gonna be, if they knock out France for you, it's gonna be a bit of a tough situation. And don't forget, France also, like, they're one of the best teams right now, and all their teams black. World Cup scorers. Okay, Mbappe's got 7 goals. Messi's got 7 goals. Jude Bellingham's got 4. Francis Delembe's got 4. Mbappe. Haaland's got 7. Harry Kane's got... Wait, Haaland's Norway, innit? Isn't that Erling Haaland Norway? Wait. England's playing Norway. Oh, please, England get knocked out. Please get knocked out. Losers. I love it when England loses in football because they get so butthurt, man. Why France team has all dark-skinned people, not being racist? Just asking. They got a lot of black people over there and they're just better at football than the French, innit? That's pretty much it. Yeah, Sahad is black. He is a Nigerian. He is a half Indian, half Nigerian, sir. Bajit, I'm the atom of the universe. You chill out, lad. Are you naked in the heat wave again? Yeah, mate. Ugh, bit warm. Ugh. Look at GU, bro. Look. Kind of a first leg. I'll class that as the first leg and then that as the second leg. No demand zone, no pullback, no nothing. Like there's nothing you can do in this zone here on GU at all. Like absolutely nothing. Like tell me what to do in that zone. It's just flying and not doing no pullback, no nothing, no entry, just pure bullshit. Bullshit maximum. USD CAD stuck in a range of 5 pips in basically 1 hour. Euro is stuck in a range of 11.7 pips in 1 hour. That's not bad. Pound's probably done like 18 then, I'm guessing. Oh, 21, not bad at all. So USD CAD's dirty, Euro is very dirty, Pound's good, but Pound is a lot stronger than Euro. Like Pound is a lot stronger than Euro. Hurricane keeps saving England. Oh, there's this one woman named Khadija, yeah, on Facebook. She's like the biggest seller there is, yeah. And all she does is says, England's amazing, England's a fantastic country. If you're a foreigner, you need to leave if you don't integrate and stuff like that. And I was thinking, wow. He made a video on the football club saying that none of these foreigners scored a goal. They should go back to their own country. Only the Englishmen that scored the goal. I don't know if it's Harry Kane or not, but one of them is Irish. And his grandparents were Irish, and his great-grandparents were not Irish. They come from freaking Netherlands or something like that. So even he isn't even English or anything. I don't remember who. I don't watch football that much, innit. Actually, I haven't watched any of the games at all. I've not watched even one. I don't care. But I'm just following because I just want England to lose, that's it. As long as England loses and Argentina doesn't win, I'm happy. Argentina almost lost against Cape Verde. Yeah. Imagine watching grown-ass men playing with the ball. Couldn't be me. I like, this guy is a mad one. Saad,
German government
why?
official- German government official saying NATO summits to send signal that NATO is becoming more European.
Trade what you planned, Quantech, or leave me alone. Quantech, or leave me alone. Okay, so now we're seeing USD card, yeah. Tag that zone, consolidated, equalize, unit higher. So explain to me what the hell I'm supposed to do in this market. Honestly, that's probably the best thing I could do. The few trades I've caught live, yeah, just say, look, they're live on YouTube. Ain't no one doing it like this. Ain't no one doing live YouTube 60-odd trades, and then just basically sell a course in it for like $1.99, and then just cover price action after it happened, and don't do any live trading anymore, and then just sell courses. But I don't want to do that. I'm not a scumbag. But yeah, you could quite easily do that.
SK Hynix revises ADR reference value before Nasdaq listing.
China tests first nuclear-capable missile from submarine into Pacific Ocean. Why are they testing that for? Don't do nothing here, man. I've had a massive dump now. That's what I mean. That is borderline profitable because he has benefited 30k. But if that was his personal account, he would have been down probably 100k. Do you know what I mean? Like it's mad. Like if you cannot be profitable, yeah, even on prop firm accounts, you're not ready for profitability on a personal account. You're literally not ready, bro. Because it's not the case of, oh yeah, $1,000 is gonna give me $10,000 drawdown. It's not. $1,000 is only $1,000. If you blow it, you're blowing all of what you have. You know what I mean? Up in there. So these guys, bro, they're literally like, they're not prepared for prop trading and stuff like that. This is why I had the idea of having small trading, like getting a personal account, trading a small position size, like 1-2%. And that's enough, because if you think about it, bro, like 1-2% is enough, man. That's enough. And then just get used to keeping drawdown low, never blown account. So then if I have my own personal account, I'd be comfortable knowing that I've never blown one. And the accounts I have blown, they were awkward anyway. Like the ACG account that I lost because I was trying to figure out the trade copier and stuff like that. The other accounts got taken off me from Quanteco. One account got taken off me because the prop firm went bust. And then I've got the 2 accounts with Effectify, the 3 steps, 5%, 5%, 5%. I just made a mistake where I picked those accounts and I didn't do correct position, like risk management, position sizing. These problems are fine, innit? More good for us, the more kid trading in the market, the better. Yeah, of course, yeah, they don't know what they're doing in it. They don't know how to trade and stuff like that. Being profitable isn't a problem. Customer, it's easy when you're trading prop firms to be profitable, yeah, but to be consistent, that's what the goal is supposed to be. The goal is always supposed to be how to become consistently profitable, because that's where you're making the living, basically, in it. That's where your income is, on the consistent part of it.
Israel Energy Minister saying Israel is launching a new competitive process to search for more natural gas in the country's economic waters.
He was with the Quantacle and stuff in it, and then that was your first prop firm, I think, in it, and then you got your one payout or whatever it was, and then after that it went sideways, in it, I think. Welcome to trading. And they're just on futures firms now.
At 4:30 a.m. Eastern Time, get Eurozone Centix Investor Confidence Index, prime minus 13.4, and UK Construction PMI, prime 38.2.
Even on M15, euro is disgusting. Look at, oh, that is so bad on M15. Literally 2 hour chop. Oof. Yeah, can't be bloody nothing with this market, man. I suppose if you wanted to continue the sells,
At 4:30 a.m. Eastern Time, get Eurozone Centix Investor Confidence Index prior minus
Build up there.
13.4 and UK
First
Construction
leg.
PMI prior 38.
no second leg, took that level out there, then fell off. No entry anywhere, man. Absolutely nothing. Peace out, Sahad. No entry there at all. Bad. I'm guessing you're going then. Peace out, Sahad. So took out that level
One
there,
minute
which is
remaining. I'll
clean.
leave with Eurozone Centix
First
investing
leg,
confidence index.
second leg, didn't tag the zone. Maybe it would have. No, I wouldn't have taken that. Oh, that's sketchy, man. That is sketchy. Would I have taken that? I don't think so. 1.4, 2.6. 3.6. I don't think I would have.
-3.1, -3.1. Higher than forecast, -10. Construction PMI 38.4, 38.4. Lower than forecast, 40.
So nothing here, nothing here. USD card, what was there? Build up there. Broke structure, didn't come back into it. It did have a demand zone right here. Put the high there. There's no clear volume, nothing here at all. No clear volume. First leg, second leg, no pullback, no entry, price kept going. Yeah, nothing, man. Literally nothing. Absolutely none here. If we push through that level, then that's gonna have to be the high. In the hopes it holds. And then what about gold and silver? Silver's bouncing off of that Asia midline level. Gold is just yeah, not doing much. Dollar's pushing up quite a bit, man. Could this be the low that it's made? Possibly. How much of a retracement have we had? Is it Alt F? Isn't it? Yeah, Alt F. There. So we had to pull back all the way to the 0.5 from this low to this high. I do like how we kind of done a pretty much a 50% pullback. So Lord, that's me done. I'm dipping. Won't do nothing here with this market at the moment, so I'm gonna have to come back from New York and see if New York has anything. If not, come back tomorrow and then see what tomorrow has. Pretty much all I can do, to be fair, man. Not much more. Why did I copy the same thing twice? Peace out, boys. Hey, like, I'll see you tomorrow. If I trade New York, I'll stick it in the Discord.